Oh, I love waking up early on a Saturday, getting out here and welding, stacking dimes today, finishing up this carport about midway through. Today I'll be working alone, but hanging some purlin in between our trusses. As you can see, I'm fabricating here, cutting them to the exact length to fit in between our trusses. Y'all stay tuned. So y'all may notice that the structure is probably about halfway finished. My buddy and I started it about 2 weekends ago, and this is kind of my side hustle that I've been creating content for, and I'm starting to really get into it. And I want to see what it'd be like to get reactions on YouTube or any kind of social media platform. But yeah, working by yourself can be hard, intimidating, but fun. So yeah, climbing up on my 8-foot ladder. One of these days I'll get me a men lift, but for now, she works well. And you can see I fabricated some brackets, some clampable brackets where I can hang that purlin by myself, get it in place, and tack it up and weld it. Pretty cool. These kind of jobs are definitely easier with a hand or two. It can speed up the process, but like I said, I didn't have a hand this weekend, so you just got to learn to work by yourself. Took a little time to eat my breakfast and sip on some coffee here. One down and 2 more to go. Sometimes it's best to cut like a 16th over instead of under. That way you can just kind of tap it into place nice and easy. But yeah, these came out pretty snug on my cuts. Put them right up here. Just a little extra clip for our purlins all the way around. That was enough for one day. I don't know if y'all can hear me over this thing. Let me back up to kind of show y'all what we did today. If I don't hit my truck. We're in the bobcatting around. But I'll show y'all. They're just temporary, but independently by myself and the good Lord upstairs, we got that middle piece of purlin in 2x6 just right down the middle, and we're gonna prep for paint. Thinking acetone is the best way to get this mill oil off and then clean it up and hopefully get some paint next week. But yeah, you can really do a lot of things by yourself. You got to learn to work with yourself. I prefer to pay a hand, but all my hands were busy this weekend. So sometimes you just got to eat it and do it yourself. Be careful. Always measure twice. Cut once. But yeah, that's a wrap for this Saturday. I want to go home, hang out with my babies. Got 4 beautiful children. That's why 4HW is the name, because I got 4 little H's running around. 2 boys, 2 girls. And yeah, I'm gonna load the Bobcat up, get her on the gooseneck, get the truck loaded down, and go get wet in the sprinkler. Stay tuned. All right, let's hook her up. And that's all she wrote. See you next time.